I got a deal done. I'm bringing new content to the channel. Good morning.
Morning.
Go ahead, Mr. Willie. Come on.
Damn.
Tyler, hey, they're a little shy, but it's time to get some business done.
Damn, Charles.
Somebody gonna be internet famous.
All right, Joe, let's get it done. I'm ready.
Yeah.
You'll see you waiting.
600. Yeah, go ahead and count.
Willie, you gonna be my accountant and count my money first?
I don't reckon I treat them, but hey, they better count.
What's that?
Sign your, what you gonna sign your name at? Right there? All right.
Yeah, seller.
Okay.
And that's you're buying it.
Yeah.
So I gotta sign here
Okay.
and do that.
Uh-huh.
I ain't gonna put nothing up there.
Don't, no.
I already know that deal.
Yeah, I'm telling you, yeah.
All right, Charles.
All right, hey. Hey, what I got you. Hey, my viewer wants some insight, just what you know about the truck. What's some of the things you know about the truck?
It, on the spot right here. I'm not an internet person.
Just give them, you know.
I gotta stay in ghost mode.
So tell me, you know, you got it from your father-in-law, right?
Yeah, got it from my father-in-law. Cause it was just sitting in the yard. I actually pulled it out of the weed and got it back on.
Oh man.
Yeah, so got it going, and just done. I ain't done a whole lot to it. Just got it to where it's enough to go back and forth to work. That's it.
Yeah.
So
Cool.
other than that, it's just gonna get a little truck.
Yeah. I am gonna redo the whole thing. It's not gonna be a regular truck you drive. It's gonna be a drag truck. That's my mission. Peace.
Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Hey, I got a surprise for you. I just brought a 87 Ford, and my plan is turn this truck into a drag racing truck. I want to race in the RVW class or the Pro 275, and that is a radio tire class. No Mercy, Lights Out, and Sweet 16. That's what their project for. This is the new content that coming to the channel. I just picked it up today. Well, you just dropped it off, and let's take a look at it. Shit, hey, It might be a little rough, but it's gonna do real good. See, it's an 87 Ford, and I got it for a good price. It's gonna take a lot of work, but you know, gonna take a lot of work, but I don't like the word budget bill, you know. So what my plan is to I gotta get some chassis work done to it, painted body, of course, firewall repair. I want a Pro line, a small block Pro line, but I might have to go with small block Ford. I don't know, but definitely, just the new content coming to the channel. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and you know what to do. Ride with me, and you can see me grow this from ugly duckling into something real. Got some curve, got appeal, that fast, one of a kind type of build. You know what to do. Subscribe.